If you're looking for creative garden craft ideas, here are simple projects that bring charm and personality to any outdoor space. These are easy, beginner-friendly ideas you can recreate with things you already have at home. Start with upcycled containers, jars, tins, baskets, anything that can hold a plant or a little display. Add hand-painted pots to bring color and character to your garden shelves or patio corners. Make your own garden markers using wood, stones, or recycled materials for a personal touch. And try charming decor made from everyday items, the kind of pieces that make your garden feel warm and inviting. Mix natural textures with pops of color to create little moments of interest throughout your space. Use stones, wood, or repurposed objects to add personality and a bit of whimsy. Create mini displays for patios, balconies, or small corners that need a little lift. These craft ideas look beautiful all year long and can be adapted to any style. They're perfect for beginners, weekend projects, or quick creative moments. Fun, affordable, and completely customizable. You can make each piece your own. Ready to try your own garden crafts? You'll find the full post linked in the description. For more ideas, visit thegardenstyle.com.